It's very worrying when you are browsing on WhatsApp or chatting or watching status on WhatsApp and you get a notification that you're out of data. So in this video I want to show you how to get bundle on WhatsApp for free. So it doesn't matter whether you use Android or whether you use iPhone. All that you have to do is follow me in this video and let's make it happen. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel, because this is what we do here and there is more stuff coming. So subscribe, then turn notification. Let's start with today's video.
I want you to do these two things first. So the first thing that you're going to do is I want you to go to your Play Store. So when you go to your Play Store, then you search for WhatsApp. So when you search for WhatsApp, then for me, I don't use the normal WhatsApp. I use FM WhatsApp. So I want you to update your WhatsApp that you are using. Okay, so for me, I don't use that one. That's why you can see install here. I use the FM WhatsApp. Okay, so for me like this, I have to update my FM WhatsApp. So I want you to update your FM WhatsApp. After you've updated your WhatsApp, then the next thing I want you to do is I want you to subscribe to this channel, then like this video for me. Okay, so let's start with it. So I'm going to show you a simple code, okay, a simple short code that will help you get free bundle. Okay, so make sure you copy this code, make sure you don't forget. So you can write it down somewhere, or you can just turn on your dial button, then as I key in, you also key in. So star is the code 5 6 7 star 1 star 1 star 1 star 2 hash. So take note of the short code that I've shown you. Star 567 star 1 star 1 star 1 star 2 hash. Okay, so you call the code. So you can see from here, enter the amount preferred bundle. Okay, I want you to just input the smallest amount, 0.07. Okay, so this is the short code. Now that was the short code, and this is the amount that you will select. Okay, 0.07. Don't select 1 CD or 2 CD, just 0.07. Then tap the send. Then you just go to 1. Okay, don't go to any other one again. Go to 1. Then tap the send. Then go to 1 airtime to buy it, or you can use your mobile money to buy it. And that's all. Okay, you can see from here. Okay, to be used for all networks plus free WhatsApp. So thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more videos from this channel, so you can watch this video if you haven't watched this one, so that you can save more data, and there are more stuff coming that will help you. So subscribe. See you in the next one.